Hey guys, Trella Creates here. So I'm super excited. I was tagged by Print Pray Slay to join in this Planner Babe tag challenge, I think is what it's called. So I'm excited. So there's a series of questions that I'm going to answer, and let's get right to it. So let's see. I wrote them down because, yeah, that's my life. I have to write stuff down. Hence this video planner. So, okay, first question. What bag do you carry your planner in? All right, so my favorite bag to carry my stuff is this. This is my pink tote. And it is full. It's like huge. You can't even put in a video. It's so huge. It is huge. But in it, I carry my planners, my stickers, my pouches, my various pouches, my TNs. I mean, this is like, it's like the magic bag of fun. This is what this is. This is the magic bag of fun, guys. I'm telling you. My Kindle. So this is my love bag. I should just call it my love bag. So this is my favorite bag because I know if I grab this bag, I can do so many different creative things. So this is my favorite bag to carry my planner supplies in and my journaling supplies. I also have my side satchel. This is more, real life. So when I'm headed out to the store, I'm running errands, I have my pocketbook planner. And this stays in here most of the time, and it just has like my list of things that I need to do, my money, my ID, and stuff like that. And then I also have like a medium-sized pocketbook that I didn't pull out for the video that I'll just carry my my planner in. So if I know I'm going to be out for an extended time of the day, or I'm hanging out with my girlfriends, I know we need to plan get-togethers and stuff, I'll carry just one planner. I do not carry the love bag everywhere I go. The love bag, I carry it around the house mostly, and then I add crops and stuff. So that's my bags. Okay, so the next question is, how many planners do you actually use at one time? All right, let's pull them out of the love bag. So this is the one that I use currently. I'm just got into this. This is my new Encadrin. This is my folio. This is going to be my 2019 planning system. I will not buy another planner. I'm saying this on video. If somebody sees me with another planner, call me out on my ish, because I will not be using another planner. This is the only planner I'm going to be using for 2019. Okay, full disclaimer. Alright, so anyway, this is the one that I use at one time, because pretty much in here I have my monthly, then I have my daily, and my daily usually consists of, let me go to my daily usually consists of things that I need to do, and then I have like a bucket list of things, and then I have my scripture writing in here. So this is what I will use at one time. The next question is, how do you use your various planners? Because clearly I have more than one planner. So this is my planner for everyday life and business. Okay. Then, how do I use all my planners? Then I have my faith planner. So in the morning, very early in the morning, with my first cup of coffee, I'm planning my day. Good morning, what do I need to do? That's this. After one cup of coffee, things have slowed down, the kids are off to school, I'm chilling for a minute. I go into my faith planner, and this is my faith planner, and this is where I would write my scripture writing, as well as daily verses. I'm just trying to go to that page. So this is where I keep my daily verses. So I write one daily verse, and then I will go to the next page, the next section. This is by the way, Happy Planner. Happy Planner, Faith Planner. I'm trying to get to the page. Okay, so then I write my daily verse, I write my observation, and my application. So this is how I use this planner. And this planner I'll pull out probably like about 10 o'clock after 1 cup of coffee. And then before bed, I pull out the Hobonichi, which for some people the Hobonichi is a planner. It is dated, but for me this is a gratitude journal. And I write down before I go to bed mostly what I'm grateful for. And it usually consists of a sticker and maybe some pictures depending on my time. But every night before I go to bed, I like to pull out my gratitude planner, journal, whatever you want to call it, and write down what I'm grateful for. And it'll also consist of things that I did that day. So this is what I pull out next. So that is my system of how I use my various planners. And okay, what snacks do you like to eat during planning? I had some plantain chips here, but I ate them. Yeah, because I had to eat during my planning to plan to do this video. That makes sense. So anyway, sorry I don't have a sample to show you, but I usually eat plantain chips. And I also eat M&M peanuts and a glass of wine. Glass of wine is always near me when I'm planning. Yeah. Excuse my sniffing. I have allergies. It sucks. It really does. Okay. Next. When did you start planning? I started planning about 5 years ago. I was introduced to planning from my friend Sandy. Shout out to Sandy. She's super creative, and she showed me this magnificent planner. It was beautiful. It was all decorative and all nice. And I was like, girl, I got time to do that. I already scrapbook. I make cards. I do not have time to be sitting down putting stickers in a planner. But, yeah. So, clearly I have time, because now I have 5, 6, 7, I don't know, multiple planners in my life. So yeah, thank you, Sandy, for pushing me down that rabbit hole, because I actually feel like planning has definitely benefited me in many, many ways. Which leads us to the next question. What was your life before planning? So before planning, my life was awful. It was very unorganized. I was always a lister, so I would write lists of things I needed to do, but they would be all over the place. I never could remember where the list was, and then I couldn't keep track of what I did and what I didn't do because I couldn't find the list. So once I started planning, I really was able to have a place where I write everything down. I can see what I did, what I didn't do, what needed to be done, and move to another day. And also, I suffer from anxiety, so for me, it really helped me not get all up in my head about all the things I needed to do. Just write them down. Write them down, and then you go to them and do them as you can. You know, I'm not too hard on myself, but I know what needs to happen, and if it doesn't happen, I move it to another day. So that's it. Planning has really benefited my life, and I'm really, really happy that I started doing it. Plus, it feeds into my creativity, so I love that as well. Next, what is your layout preference? So my layout preference, I have no layout preference. I just love stickers. Stickers. Look at this. This is my sticker book. Nice and chunky. This is from Capital Chic Designs, by the way. Love it. So super cute. But yeah, I have no preference. I just like stickers, and I like creating, so I just all over the place with stickers. Next question. Do you prefer sticker kits or create your own spread? Create my own spread, of course. No kits, no boxes. I don't have to write in this space because it says that this goes here. I'm very creative about how I write things, and I kind of write them all over the place. So there's no rhyme or reason to my planner pages. Do you prefer spiral, disc, or TN style? So I like all of them, all of the above. I like the disc. Of course, I like the TN, and I also have some spiral as well as the binder clip ones as well. Favorite planning supply? My favorite planning supply. Oh, I should have had that out. So my favorite planning supply would probably be my fountain pen. This is a Schaefer fountain pen that I got from Staples. It's very affordable. You can buy the refills at Staples. It's a calligraphy style pen. There are some more expensive ones on the market, but I prefer this one because, number one, I won't get stressed if I lose it. I can just buy another one. And it's easy for me to buy the refills right up the street at Staples. So this is the one but this is also available on Amazon. It's very affordable. It's called the Schaefer calligraphy pen. So this is probably my number one favorite supply. And I'll also have to say my Man Be Happy Planner Punch, because I like to create little dashboards and punch them and put them in my planner. So my other favorite supply is my Happy Planner Punch. Next question is favorite thing to plan. Meal planning, budget, cleaning. No. I plan because I can play with stickers. That's the only reason I plan. I don't like to cook. I don't like to budget. And who likes to clean? I don't like them. But I will plan it and it will manifest in my life because I wrote it down. And I will actually do it. But do I like doing it? No. But I do like planning it because I like to play with stickers. So I guess that answers that question. I don't know. My favorite planning is probably my faith planning, because I can actually decorate it, and the things that I'm writing in there are probably things that I need to hear, and they manifest into my life, and I really enjoy faith planning as well as journaling. It's also it's a good way to just end your day and just remind yourself of all the blessings that you have in life and look forward to another day. So I don't think I answered that question right. But you guys get what I'm saying. So I don't have a favorite, I guess. And then it says funny stories. Do I have any funny stories? I don't have any funny stories that I can remember right now. But I will say that the best thing about planning is all my planner friends, all my planner babes. Interestingly enough, I was already a creative person, and I was already had a large network of creative friends through scrapbooking. And then my circle grew now that I have lots of friends who plan. And these women have just been motivational and inspiring to me. That, you know, all these creative women that I've met through both of these hobbies have always been fun, loving, good friends. So that's my story. I love planning because I love the circle of people that it surrounds me. People who are planning positive, happy lives. So I love it. We already talked about my favorite planner tool. And so the other question is your washi out of control? This is my favorite washi. This is just the favorite. The rest of the washi is like in drawers, cubes of washi. So my washi is out of control, and this is my favorite washi. And if I'm going to a event, yes, I will carry this box with me because this is my favorite washi. So it has to go with me. So my washi is out of control. And so the question that I want to contribute to the Planner Babe tag is, where do you plan? Where's your favorite place to plan? So this is my favorite place to plan. I'm in my bed. This is my bed, guys. This is where it goes down. See the pillows? This is where it goes down. So I have a desk with all this fancy stuff on it, and it's really cute, but when I plan in bed. I put my TV on, get a glass of wine, and I pull out all my stickers, and they'll all be surrounded around me in the bed, and I plan in bed. So that's my favorite place to plan. So I'm going to add that question to my tag. So thank you guys. I'm glad that I did this challenge, and I hope that you guys enjoyed my video. And I hope that the ladies I tagged participate as well. Have a blessed day. Bye.